Hello students, today we are doing part 2, that is the other part of lesson 3. I hope you have understood the first part properly. Let us begin the part 2, the fourth type of pronouns, and that is the indefinite pronoun. Indefinite, the name itself suggests that we are doing indefinite pronouns. Indefinite means you don't know the definite number. Some, few, none, one cannot say. So here one means you don't know the definite number of people. You're just using words to show not the exact amount. So that becomes indefinite pronoun. Let us do the exercise. Some say she is foolish. You just have to circle the right word. So here some. But while doing the exercise also, you will come to know the various indefinite pronouns that are being used. Let's do the second one. There is something in your hair. Something. The third one. Few can do this act efficiently. Few. The fourth one. He didn't say anything useful. Anything. I hope you've got the understanding by now. You can do the rest of the sentences on your own. So that is the meaning of indefinite pronouns. Now we have distributive pronouns. What do we mean by distributive? We use certain words like each, either, neither. These words are called distributive pronouns, where you have to choose. Neither of the girls can go on a picnic means none of the girls. So here neither is a distributive pronoun. Either of these answers are true. Either, distributive pronoun. Each and every boy was punished. Each, distributive pronouns. So these words, each, either, neither, if they are used in a sentence, they are distributive pronouns. Here you can find them in exercise 7. Very simple. I'm sure you can do it in 1 minute itself. You can find the words which show you distributive pronouns. But they have asked you to find the difference between distributive pronouns and distributive adjectives. If you take the fourth one, each boy, it is distributive adjective. Why? Because after each you have a noun. So the fourth one is distributive adjective. Let's go to the first one, each of the boys. It is a distributive pronoun. Let's go to the fifth one, neither of the boys was punished. It's a distributive pronoun. I hope you understood the difference. If there is a noun immediately after the word, it's an adjective. If you don't have a noun, it is a distributive pronoun. Now we have interrogative pronoun. Now the word interrogative only should help you understand. Interrogative is when you ask a question. So the words which help you to ask the question who, what, where, whom, which, these words are interrogative pronouns. I don't think there is a problem doing exercise 8 at all. You just have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Should I do the first one for you? To whom did you give the message? Of whom are you speaking? That is the second one. The third is whom were you speaking to? That is the third. I hope you will be able to do this. Exercise 8. You want me to do one more? Okay, 9. What do you prefer, milk or tea? Come on, now I'm sure the rest of the sentences you should be able to fill up. Now we have relative. Relative pronoun is where the pronoun helps you to join the two sentences. See, we have an example here. He is the man. He stole my purse. So this is the man who stole my purse. That is called a relative pronoun. The words, the correct words which help you to join the two pronouns, who, that, whose, whom. These words are relative pronouns. I can do a few sentences from the exercise. Let us underline the relative pronouns. We don't want to do antecedent right now. We will just do the relative pronouns. God helps those who help themselves. So here we have who. You just have to circle who or underline. We are just doing relative pronouns, not antecedent. In the second one, it is only donkeys that bray. So here we have that. That is a relative pronoun. Bring me the clothes. Which. So you will underline here which. Which is a relative pronoun. So we are only taking that part to help with less of confusion. And here they have given you some uses of relative pronouns which help you to join the two sentences. Just go through them. We have exercise 10 where we fill in the blanks with the suitable relative pronouns. I'll do 2 or 3 for you so that you find it easy. He dash is content. He who is content is rich. Take anything that you like. Let's do the 7th one. It is only camels who can cross the desert. Now I think it is not difficult for you. You can understand how to just add the words. Same way, after you finish exercise 10, you can do exercise 11 by joining the two sentences with the help of a relative pronoun. Let me do the first one for you. He is a rogue. No one trusts him. So now we are joining it. So he is a rogue whom no one trusts. Whom no one trusts. Again, him won't come because here you are joining the two sentences. One more. We got into a bus. It was full of passengers. We got into a bus which was full of passengers. Third, I saw a juggler who was showing his tricks. I hope you have got it now. Please try and finish the rest of the sentences. This is the relative pronoun. Should not be very difficult. Used for joining the two sentences. So here we complete the lesson on pronouns. I hope you have understood this lesson well. Please do the exercises on time so you don't forget what you have already studied. In the next session, we'll have some more talking from my part and then we will continue with the 4th lesson. See you for now. Try and see that you finish all the exercises till lesson 3 in your notebook so that we can go ahead with our further lectures. Bye for now. See you.